Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. Today we're going to talk a little bit about PVC fittings. What happens if we are wanting to connect drip tubing to a pipe or a header? Say we want to run a PVC across the end of the row and we want to run drip tubing off of it. Well, there's a simple solution there. This thing is called a glue end barb. That will glue into a fitting and effectively makes that fitting for your drip tubing. So you can do all kinds of fancy adapting with that. But it is important to realize that your drip tubing comes in different sizes. So you will find that the barbs, the internal barbs, are different. They're color coded. This is for a 620, that's for a 710, that's for 1/4 inch, that's for 900. But you can take advantage of these adapters to make a fitting to hook, whether you're hooking a drip line up or if you're adding a drip line but you were unable to get exactly the same size, you can convert. It's just a real good thing to know about.